You have a website and then probably wondering how you can be able to create an iOS or Android application for it, but you don't actually know how to do programming and then all those kind of things. But no worries, in today's video I'm going to be taking you through how you can be able to create an Android application and then the iOS application, which can then be published on the Apple App Store or the Google Play Store without any kind of native coding at all or coding knowledge at all. So without wasting much of your time, let me jump right into the tutorial for you guys to see. Welcome back, guys. So today we are going to be utilizing this website over here called median.co or median.co, which I'll be leaving the link to it in the video description, or you can simply check the pinned comment section of this video and then you'll be able to get access to this website over here. So on the website, you can see over here they're saying that high quality apps without any kind of native development. And then with this website, you can be able to create you can be able to turn any website into an Android application and then iOS application without any hassle at all, or even having an account on the platform, which you can see over here. I don't have an account on the platform, so I'm going to be showing you how you can be able to do this. In this field over here, we are going to be entering in the full link to the website that we want to turn into the application. So I'm going to be using YouTube for example, youtube.com. I'm going to be using youtube.com for example, and then click on build your app. So it will take me to the next page over here, which you have to do configurations for the app and then be able to move on. So in the email section over here, make sure to you enter your real email address, because they will send you some kind of configuration files and then informations to it. So make sure the email you input here is the correct email, so that you'll be able to receive the details through it. So once you are done filling in all the details over here, the website link, the app link, go ahead and then click on start building my app, and then it will take you to the building page, which I already told you about, that you are not going to do any kind of coding and then all those kind of stuffs. So on this page over here, they are asking us to upload our app icon, which is already auto-filled for us. But if you have an app icon, you can simply go ahead and then upload it over here for both iOS and then Android. And then when you are done with that, you move on to the splash screen. So to those of you who don't know what splash screen is simply the very first welcome screen that shows when you open an application. So that's what splash screen means. So you do the configuration for that also, which you can see over here, both the dark mode and then the light mode. And then once you are done with that, you move on to the theme colors. You set up everything, and then once you are done setting up everything to your likings, then you go to this section over here. You click on that, and then it will show you how your app is going to be shown on different kinds of devices. So let me click on click to start app, and then it will load the preview of the app for us to see how the application is going to look like on both Android and iOS for us to see. So as you can see over, a simulation of how the application is going to work. So okay, the preview is actually taking some time to load, but once you figure out everything correctly, it will show you the preview of everything right over here for you to see. So once you are done with everything and then you are satisfied, you simply just have to click on the rebuild button over here, and then it will take time to build the application for your iPhone or Android. So right now I'm building the iOS application, which I'm going to wait for it to be done, and then once that is done, I'll also build for the Android device and then install it and show you how um, the app looks like. Okay, so the Android application is downloading. Let's go ahead and then download that. Click on the download button over there, and then from here you are going to get access to different kinds of files over here. So from here, if you want to take a further step and then do a little bit of coding and then so on the app, if you have that knowledge, you go ahead and then download the source code for the iOS application and then the source code for the Android application. But I'm not going to be taking you through that part, so I'm only going to be downloading the Android APK over here and then install it to show you how the application runs. And also, if you are looking for a developer to develop you your website applications and then so on, you can simply check the video description. I'll be leaving a link there for you guys to check and then get into my profile, and then I'll help you design or develop any kind of website at all that you're looking for, either being front end, back end, or stack. Available. So it's download app. So let's download over and then download APK. You can download ABB installed on your phone. So let's wait for that.